That's what I need right there.
Yep. See, it came at the right price too.
So I'm gonna get another discount with my Lowe's card.
Now, did you want the replacement plan on it there?
Nah.
Okay, so you have 30 days from your date of purchase. But let me explain to you the short version of how it goes. If anything goes wrong with this unit within 2 years, right, as your date of purchase, they send you a card to replace it for either $16.97 or $19.97. They'll send you a gift card. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, just let you know, all right?
I'll just send it to Craftsman.
Okay, see, you already know the business. 115.13. Oh, go ahead and swipe your card, honey, and it's going to take
Can
the
I get
additional discount off. You got to swipe it first.
I hope I'm using the right Lowe's. We'll see in a minute. I think that's the old one or the new one.
Okay, yeah, so it did take it off.
What's up, tubers? It's Ted from TP Tech, bringing you another unboxing and review video. Today we're going to talk about the 60-volt Craftsman brushless chainsaw. Now, the reason I bought this chainsaw, one, it was on a special. Two, I'm already into the Craftsman ecosystem with the 60-volt trimmer. So now I have two batteries to replace one or the other. And for what I paid for this, the battery costs more than the battery, the charger, and this chainsaw, which I got. It was regular $2.99. They had it on clearance for $107 at Lowe's. So I don't know how long that's gonna last if y'all wanted to get this deal. It's a 16-inch bar change. You have a 2 free tensioner. You just tighten it a little bit. Got automatic oiling. I have the oil out there to put in it if it just don't come with it. So we're going to unbox this from Lowe's here. Craftsman, you know, Lowe's started to sell the Craftsman brand now. And I've always liked Craftsman. They're good about returning stuff or warranting stuff. I never had a problem when it was Sears, so I don't know how Lowe's going to handle the Craftsman brand. I believe the Craftsman brand was separate from Sears too. And over time, that was how they was able to sell it to different branches to like True Value, Kmart got Craftsman, now Lowe's has Craftsman, so we'll see. So let's go ahead and unbox this because I already just opening it the wrong way here, so let me concentrate on what I'm doing here. Got my Lamar Wilson knife in. Gotta be careful before I get cut up in here. Definitely don't want to do that. So, packaged in a good thick cardboard box that they can show you what they care about the quality of protecting what they got inside there. I've seen a whole lot of cheaper boxes. So this would be something good to store it in if I can get this opened here. I'm wondering if somebody been in this all this tape they got on it. It's come with a 60-volt lithium battery. It's supposed to have the battery and the charger in here. But that's what the unboxing for. We're gonna see exactly what's in it. I really don't like the design of this charger here, man. We either got the charger with this big old cable. They could have made that better, or I could have mounted it on the wall or something. That's a design flaw I don't like. Okay. This is something. I don't want to tear this big box. Especially if something wrong with it. Okay. Cut here then. There we go. The first thing, it's got that charger I was telling you about. Works perfectly, but I wish they had it where they could mount it on the wall here. So that's a good thing. Got it packaged well. Let me show you before I take it out. See how they got these things, so it should be down. Big cardboard, I tell you. Okay. Let's see. We got the chainsaw. Got the chainsaw guard. That's good on the cutting set. Safety. Like a good and sharp chain. Got the brake like the gas truck. Wow, good size saw. It's got a level on it here. It's a brushless too, so that's good. Any of the electrical stuff, you definitely want to make sure it's brushless. So I'm really expecting great things out of this chainsaw. If it's anywhere half as good as that trim, I should be satisfied with it. Then it's got a, I was reading on the box there, got automatic tensioning where you can just tighten the chain a little bit, take the slack out of it, and we go and tighten it, not tighten it too full. Then it's got a place where you can put the oil in it. Let me see here if this thing got, what is that, tension? Oh, that's the chain tension. Yeah, that's the chain tension. Where's the oil thing at? There it is, right there. Put your oil in here. Boy, that's a big old cake of oil. Goes in there. That's pretty deep. Got these brushless motor. It's not that heavy. It feels like about maybe 11 pounds, 10 pounds maybe. Got a good grip on it here. Safety feature that won't let you cut on until you push that. I like they got that level indicator here. Tell you whether you level or not. Where you cut and scrape, you can put it on the level. And I like it where you can use this on the inside, cutting frames without gas fumes all over your project. Almost like having a skill saw that's 8 inches tall. Can't get no precision with it. Let's see what it comes in the box here. Like I said, got the 60-volt batteries, exactly like the one I got on my trimmer that I reviewed. Trimmer battery, the 2.5 milliamp lithium battery, and they put the test, usually the test strip be right here, but Craftsman for some reason put theirs up here. I got one bar, so there's barely enough to make it go. So we're gonna charge this battery, and I'm gonna do a little bit of test here and see how that goes. All right, we thank you. Oh, well, one more thing in there. It's got the blah 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 instructions in there. Let's see some of the things it's telling you about. Since this is a dangerous chainsaw, I guess I will be reading this instruction just to be on the safe side here, because I've never had an electric chainsaw. I got an electric pole chainsaw, but that thing, it's not that much power in it. And there we go here. This comes with a 4-year limited warranty. Let's see what this thing made at. manufactured, distributed by Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated in China, country of origin China. So how Stanley and Black & Decker got to do with each other? It's got Craftsman 701 East Joppa Road, Townsend, Minnesota, where it come to, but it's made in China, specified by Craftsman, I guess. Their engineering. Okay, so far satisfied. Too dead, you can crank up. But it's got the power brick, I guess, 60 volts. The good news is this trimmer is a 60 volt, while the other volt is charging. This one here has a full charge, so we'll do a little testing with that. Need the chainsaw oil. Let's add a little oil to the chain before we put the battery in it. It's got the little thing right here. I'm not gonna fill this up because I don't want it to leak on me. Oh, said I wasn't gonna fill it up, but I didn't know it wasn't as much as I thought it was. Almost made a mess. Well, I did make a mess. Oh. I think it would work if I turned it around. And there we go. It works in the thing. This has a safety feature which pushes in order, I'll take that off. In order to make this work, I have to pull that back. So here we go, first try. Whoa. That thing ramp up. All right, we're gonna go see what kind of cutting it'll do. All right, I got some bushes up here I need cutting down. Oh, look at this mess. So we're gonna go up here and trim some of these bushes. Thing a little heavy with the battery in it. Feel like quality do. The handle got a good grip on it. Alright, so we're gonna set this down here. Pull that up. Wow, like hot butter. That's pretty good. Wow, good power. Way better than my pole saw. Too much work for me out here with my bad breathing. Whew. Put the safety back on. Not bad. My conclusion is on this is this Craftsman Chainsaw is a buy, and especially now it's coming from $299 on clearance for $107. Plus I got an additional 5% by using my Lowe's credit card. So if you get a chance to catch this, I'm sure it's not going to be there long. They phasing out to the 20 volt, which is less power, and it don't hold up as much. Only downside of this setup is this battery costs a little more. But now that I got two of them, by buying both things on special, I got both items for the price of the battery. So now I got two batteries that's worth $200. Plus I got a chainsaw and a trimmer. So I think I done good. You know, I don't know if I would have bought this at this full price at $299. Well, I know I wouldn't. I went in there to buy a green something chainsaw. It was regular $299. They had it on sale for $149. While I was looking for that, I saw the Craftsman on Amazon, and I'm like, man, I ain't paying no $299 for that, even though I got this battery system. But when I got to Lowe's, you know me, I'm a bang for your buck kind of guy. When I went to Lowe's and I saw that this was my ecosystem, and it was on sale even less than the $149 for $107, logic tell me this is the way to go, and I'm glad I did. I am very pleased with it. Now that I got two batteries for my trimmer and my chainsaw, I don't see me running out of battery power no time soon. Just hope this battery don't get discontinued. That's the only thing I'm hoping it don't happen. Maybe I'll try to find one more somewhere, keep these batteries charged at all times so I won't kill them. Figure out the best way to charge it. I can see inside this thing, it's got all kind of technical stuff in it, circuit boards and everything, so I don't know. It didn't run hot or warm that little bit of time that I had it. I sure would like to have a big log to cut through just to see what this thing would do. All right, I guess that's it. Y'all have a great day. This is Ted with TP Tech.